Hey, Jonathan here from the Catholic Woodworker. Just wanted to show you a quick video of our St. Francis design home altars. All of these home altars come in one of these boxes. And inside, you're going to get one of our premium St. Benedict crucifixes, prayer card, and home altar base. So let's take a closer look at these when we put it all together. So I've got the beginnings of my altar here, my Bible, prayer candle. And we're going to go ahead and get this set up. So we've got our base. Our cross fits right there. And this is what the base looks like. We've got a slot here for the prayer cards and a circular cutout for the crucifix. Prayer card comes in a protective sleeve. We go ahead and place that here. And all of our prayer cards come with the particular prayer on the back side. This one is our St. Joseph Terror of Demons. And all of our prayer cards are original artwork by Baratus Catholic, one of our favorite Catholic illustrators. And there you have it. Our St. Francis design home altars